Need to know how to use a washing machine? Here are the basic steps to follow. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to use a washing machine, whether it's a top loader or front loader, so you can keep your clothes clean and fresh. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get many more household tips and tricks. Let's get started. The first step in using a washing machine is to sort your laundry properly. Separate your clothes by color. Group whites, light colors, and dark colors separately to avoid color bleeding. Check the care labels. Pay attention to any specific care instructions on your clothing items. Empty pockets. Ensure there are no loose items like coins or tissues left in your pockets. Next, let's load the washing machine. We'll demonstrate using a front loader machine. For a top loader machine, this works similar. Open the lid or door of the machine. Add your sorted laundry, distributing it evenly around the drum. Avoid overloading the machine, as this can affect the cleaning process and put strain on the machine. Now, it's time to add detergent. Check the detergent compartment or tray for compartments labeled main wash or detergent. Follow the recommended detergent dosage based on your load size and the detergent's instructions. For top loaders, you can add detergent directly on top of the laundry. Selecting the right wash settings is crucial for effective cleaning. Refer to your washing machine's user manual for specific instructions, as settings may vary. Choose the water temperature. Typically, you can select from cold, warm, or hot water, depending on your laundry and the fabric care labels. Select the wash cycle. Different machines offer various wash cycles like normal, delicate, heavy-duty, or quick wash. Set the spin speed. Adjust the spin speed based on your laundry type. Higher spin speeds remove more water, but be gentle with delicate items. Optional, you can add features like extra rinse or pre-soak if needed. With your settings in place, it's time to start the washing machine. Close the lid or door securely. Press the start button or turn the dial to begin the cycle. During the wash cycle, you can relax or attend to other tasks. Most washing machines will display a timer indicating the remaining time. Avoid opening the machine mid-cycle as it can disrupt the cleaning process. When the cycle is complete, it's time to unload your laundry. Carefully open the lid or door. Remove your clothes and shake them out to prevent wrinkles. If you plan to use a dryer, transfer the clothes accordingly, following the care label instructions. Finally, it's essential to maintain your washing machine for optimal performance. Clean the detergent tray or compartment regularly. Leave the door or lid open when not in use to allow for ventilation and prevent mold and odors. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use a washing machine, whether it's a top loader or a front loader. With these tips, you can keep your clothes clean and well-maintained. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Mastering the art of using a washing machine is a valuable skill for every household. Goodbye for now, and happy laundry days.